20 months.
Okay. Almost 2.
Yeah, 4 more months. Good job, Alexis. There she goes. She's gone across the bridge, over the little hump, making her way towards the slide. Sat down all by herself. And down the slide. Yay! Good job! Good girl! Yay! Come on, you want to go again? Go again, Alexis. Take Daddy's hand. Up. 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 You're welcome. You can go down the slide again? Look, the slide's over there. It's okay, Alexis. You can go. Those out. There you go. Can you get your other foot? You got it. Put your foot in. No. You can do it. Go, Alexis. Go. There you go. A little help from Isaiah. Good job! Yay! Uh-oh. It's okay, Desiree. That's boo.
It's okay. Say, all better. All better. You're okay.
You got it, Alexis. There you go. Yay! Woohoo! Good job, Alexis.